The Unique Summit Package. Buy now. Save your Conscious Evolution Complete Summit Package now. Be inspired and touched by the wisdom, love, and embodiment of coaches, scientists, activists, authors, visionary leaders, and spiritual teachers. Barbara Marx Hubbard, John DeRuyter, Terry Patten, Craig Hamilton, Mark Nepo, Miranda Macpherson, Bence Ganti, Daniel Mitel, Marisa Peer, Annette Kaiser, Loch Kelly, John Montgomery, Justin Fairman and Jackie Nechtel, Howard Martin, HeartMath Institute, Lion Goodman, Sabine Lichtenfels, Bence Ganti, Professor Thilo Hinterberger, Mary Alice Arthur, Little Grandmother, Gabby Haber, Laura Castilli, Mal Wiraran, Marlies Mayoku Koshere, Jennifer E. Morgan, Soham, Samarpun, John D. Lou, Gerd Hofilin, Daniel Greenberg, Monique Gauthier. This video clip collection will give you an impression of what you can expect. With Craig Hamilton, John DeRuyter, Little Grandmother, Justin Fairman and Jackie Nechtel, Laura Steele, Barbara Marx Hubbard, Terry Patten. You will receive 31 video interviews, MP4, with many internationally renowned speakers, over 40 hours of video. All content permanently provided with instant download option. All interviews also as audios, MP3. Valuable, exclusive bonus gifts and extras. 100% satisfaction guaranteed unconditionally. There is an unlimited right of return within 60 days. The sale is made by Digistore24, the established digital payment processor. Bring these amazing speakers into your home. Barbara Marx Hubbard, click here. Howard Martin, click here. Annette Kaiser, click here. Mark Nepo, click here. Marlies Mayoku, click here. John D. Lou, click here. Mary Alice Arthur, click here. John Montgomery, click here. Sabine Lichtenfels, click here. Lion Goodman, click here. Bence Ganti, click here. Professor Dr. Thilo Hinterberger, click here. Gabby Haber, click here. Laura Castilli, click here. Daniel Mitel, click here. Daniel Greenberg, click here. Craig Hamilton, click here. Miranda Macpherson, click here. Terry Patten, click here. John DeRuyter, click here. Justin Fairman, click here. Jackie Nechtel, click here. Little Grandmother, click here. Loch Kelly, click here. Bence Ganti, click here. Mal Wiraran, click here. Jennifer E. Morgan, click here. Monique Gauthier, click here. Gerd Hofilin, click here. Soham, Samarpun, click here. Marisa Peer, click here. MP3 audio package ideal for at home and on the road. Enjoy all the interviews and bonus material anytime and anywhere. During a quiet hour. While jogging, on the bike, or on the train. Together with friends. As a meditation shortly before falling asleep. Bonus material from speakers of the Conscious Evolution Summit, value €350. A Dream Becomes True PDF from Annette Kaiser. Where Are We Going? PDF from Annette Kaiser. Story Activist Practices, PDF from Mary Alice Arthur. Descending into Presence, Guided Meditation MP3 from Marlies Mayoku Koshere. May All Beings Dwell in the Heart Mantra MP3 from Miranda Macpherson. Clear Your Beliefs ebook from Lion Goodman. Book excerpt from John DeRuyter's Intelligence of Love. Examples of 1,000 participant testimonials. I love this online summit as it supports us humanity in our process of developing and deepening unconditional love, evolutionary ascension, and the rising of our frequency, which is the base in shifting our consciousness and creating a more harmonic and supportive way of being and living. Listening to all the experts again and again, sharing their story and knowledge is a beautiful way in finding a balanced and diverse opinion about this topic and how we can actively evolve with it and in it. Livia Ilana / Germany. I am really enjoying the summit presentations. I feel that there is a strong transmission coming from each and every speaker and conversation. It seems like the format of the interviews and your style of interviewing allows the presenters to be open and relaxed and very engaged. I am consciously evolving by participating in the summit, and I know I will re-listen to many of the conversations. Thanks to you, Puria. This summit is a real gift to us all. Warm regards and much respect. Ellen Turgeson / USA. A thought-provoking interview. Thilo and Puria interact so naturally and inspire one another through this complex and important topic. My takeaway of this interview is multidimensional, like the whole conversation is. I like Professor Dr. Thilo Hinterberger's interpretation of mindfulness and the importance of it in a constantly changing world. Do you know what transempathic, a term Thilo created, is? Maybe you want to find out during this profound conversation, because our world needs this quality more than ever in order to contribute to the conscious evolution and to transform our lives. Ingeborg Russ / Germany. I found Mary Alice mature, full, rich in her words, leaving me wanting more. There was such a harmonious dance between Puria and Mary Alice that it was effortless to listen to. The interview with Miranda is alive, fun and exciting. In this video, I loved the grounded precision of Puria's questions, inviting the presentation to give us all inspiration and learning that we could use right away in our daily life. I had the privilege of watching some of the summit videos, and although this is my field and interest area, I found I am again inspired with new energy and ideas. I am ready to experiment, are you? Jessie Green / Australia. What speakers say about the summit. Miranda Macpherson. In the challenging and often chaotic times across the globe, many more of us are needed to deepen and stabilize our realization that we may embody our essential qualities of love, joy, and pure awareness in daily life. The conscious evolution offers a banquet of riches to support you to be as you truly are. Lion Goodman. If you're on the path of awareness and consciousness expansion, this summit is for you. Many of my favorite luminaries, including Barbara Marx Hubbard, Miranda Macpherson, and Terry Patten, have joined me and dozens of others to bring wisdom, love, and truth right into your living room. Puria has created an amazing library of information about conscious evolution. Don't miss it. Annette Kaiser. The Conscious Evolution Summit is a precious possibility to tune into what so many of us are witnessing, a world in transition. What are next steps locally / globally, as an individual and as humanity as such, in deep sense of understanding how evolution unfolds through consciousness as love in action. 3 good reasons to secure this package now. You can withdraw at any time within 60 days after the order for free. Send your withdrawal to support@digistore24.com. After your purchase, you will receive all the download links by email. The charge is made via Digistore24. All prices including taxes. Buy now. Use the energy of the beginning and start with its momentum into more wisdom, love, and embodiment. You receive high-quality and unique teachings about shifting consciousness at a reasonable price of €4.80 per video. Support me and my team so that we can soon have a free online summit again for many people. Support Embracing the World. 10% of our net proceeds will be donated. The 3 most common questions. Why is the summit package so reasonable? Click here. Are the video interviews also available as DVDs? Click here. How do I get access to the package after the purchase? Click here. Do you have other questions about the summit package? Please write to support@transform-your-life.net. No risk, our 100% satisfaction guarantee for you. We guarantee you unconditionally that you will be satisfied with our package. If you are not completely satisfied, you will receive a full refund up to 60 days after your purchase. Give yourself a treat with this unique offer. Get the most up-to-date knowledge, touching moments, and valuable practical exercises for your conscious evolution. After purchase, you will immediately have access to all the download links with the video interviews, audios, and all the bonus materials. You can withdraw at any time within 60 days after the order for free. Send your withdrawal to support@digistore24.com. After your purchase, you will receive all the download links by email. The charge is made via Digistore24. All prices including taxes. Buy now. Your donation is very welcome. Your support enables us to create similar events in the future. We are really grateful for every single euro. Oko Social Project UG Conscious Evolution Summit IBAN DE 1243069678238087800 BIC Genedem 1 GLS or use PayPal and transfer it to info@transform-your-life.net. Thank you so much for supporting us. My vision with this summit is to activate the new consciousness, enable us to shift from ego to love and create a world which respects all beings in nature. The conversations with these wonderful, inspiring, loving experts have had a lasting impact on me, and I sincerely hope that this unique summit package will enrich your life in a similar way. Indications to